welcome to practice report number 2, subtractor of 4 bits. In here, in this VHDL code, defines a 4-bit arithmetic circuit that can perform both addition and subtraction with the ability to detect overflow for both signed and unsigned operations. The design is based on a generic parameter, allowing it to handle an adjustable number of bits through it defaults to 4 bits. And the code begins with the importing necessary libraries from the IEE standard, which enable the use of standard logic vectors and unsigned arithmetic operations. The core of the design is encapsulated in an entity name subtractor of 4 bits. The entity has several ports. The A and B ports represents the operands. The S is the selector. It's going to switch between subtract and add. So it will depend on the user. It is going to have a switch. So these three here are the inputs, and the F is the output, is the result, is a vector, of course. And we have the unsigned overflow, which indicates whether an overflow has occurred in unsigned or signed arithmetic respectively. The architecture of this circuit is described using behavioral approach. Inside the architecture, two internal signals are declared. Result, which temporarily holds the intermediate result of the operation with an extra bit to detect overflow, and the C3, which monitors the carry out or borrow from the most significant bit during the operation. The main logic is encapsulated with a process that triggers whenever the input signals S, A, or B change. If the control signal is set in 0, the circuit performs addition. In the other scenario, if it's 1, it's going to work as a subtraction. If the control signal is 1, it's going to work as a subtraction. The operands are again extended by 1 bit before being subtracted. The lower n bits of the subtraction result are assigned to the output F, while the extra bit is result indicates unsigned overflow. Signed overflow is detected in the same way as an addition by comparing the most significant bits of the result. And that's everything for this part. Let's jump into the physical part.
Hi everyone, welcome to practice report number 2, subtractor of 4 bits. We're using the code of carry log ahead adder, but we modify it to work as a subtractor using a selector. So if we switch up the selector, it's going to switch between adder and subtractor. Right now it's working as a subtractor, and we put the number 1 minus 2 in binary is 1 1 1 1. That's why the 4 LEDs are turned on, and the overflow sign is turned on as well. So that's about it. And if we pull up the selector, pull down, it's going to be 1 plus 2, and that's a 3 there. So I'm gonna pull up again the subtractor, and let's modify the values. So right now the number is 1 here, so I'm going to pull up the 3. So right now is 1 plus 2, it's a 3 here, and then here I'm going to do the same thing. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and it's alright. Now here we have a 3 minus 2, and that's a 1, and it's working just as we expected to be working. Thank you so much for watching this video.